Happy Friday Eve! Today we're doing a green smoky eye. If you enjoyed this look, keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, the links to all the products are below. Okay, so first I'm going to be using the color Canvas from the Laur Pro palette. This is going to be a base for my eyes to start the look. And I'm just really layering this from my eyelash line to my crease. So next I'm using the color Burnt Orange in my crease so I can start building it up so I can blend the green in and it looks flawless. And it's really key to start with less product and then build up the product so that you can really build and blend out. This is starting to look good. So next I'm using the color Warm Taupe from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm really just blending both the shades that I already have together. And with this I'm also just trying to blend out through the crease and to make it less obvious that I put orange on my eyes. Now I'm using the shade Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette again to just deepen my crease and go in my eyelash line. And sometimes with really dark shades, it's hard to focus it in the areas you want it to focus. So if you have to get a more tapered brush and just blend it in, then you can do that. So next we're on the Laur Pro palette again. I'm just going with dark brown just to really intense the smoky eye. And this color I'm dragging down my crease just to really make the whole eye more of a smoky effect. And now with a damp brush, I'm going in from the 24K Nudes Maybelline New York. I don't think these colors have names, but it's the dark green color. And I wet my brush before I dipped it in here to really make it more pigmented. And I'm just going to go in there and put it all on my eyelid. And this color is really dark pigmented and it's really pretty, but you want to make sure that you take the lighter taupe from before and the cool taupe, the Canvas, and you want to blend it back into your crease. Quick tip, if you always want to make this look less intense, you could use a lighter color like a white or a gold, like the Primavera shade from Modern Renaissance, to make it more of a daytime look and less intense. Now I'm going in with my Laura Geller Eye Calligraphy liquid eyeliner just to do some wings. I don't have any tips for winged eyeliner, you just gotta wing it. Next I'm going in with the Laura Geller Lash Boss, which is not limited edition, I stand corrected. Next I'm putting on these Ardell Wispies with the Ardell Glue. Stare your enemy in the eye.
Is that not good?
No, but it's alright. It dries clear. As you know, we all make mistakes, especially when it comes to fake eyelashes. So use your trusty Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics Blackjack and just put that stuff right where the glue went. We're gonna go in under my eyes with the color Burnt Orange. And I'm also gonna go in with Cypress Umber just to deepen it. Last but not least, we're going in with Suede Splash from Burt's Bees just to coat my lips.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms of far.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you try this look, make sure you DM me pictures and we'll be posting some of them.
Never made